what are these things called? Rocks. I bought rocks. Woo, it's a party. What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be vlogging. I'm still at home, but the plan for today is for me to go and buy some props for photography. As you guys know, I'm starting a new online business, the prototype of the journal coming in the next couple of days. I've been tracking it. When you order online, depending on who your supplier is, you get to track the whole process. You know, it's like buying stuff online. You can track the progress, and I can see here that it's going to be here in no time, probably on Friday. Today is Wednesday, or next week Tuesday. Before that, I just want to make sure that I have all the props ready, and I also need to buy some lights off of Amazon. I'm really not sure which lights I'm going to buy. I've been going to bed at 3 a.m. because of doing so much research, watching so many launch videos. That is why these days I'm having trouble working out. Some days I show up, other days I don't show up. You guys can see that in my workout experience videos, because every week I share with you different workouts. Like I hate repeating workouts, so I share with you guys the different people I work out with, just to inspire you guys to put in the work. Anyway, that is aside from the story. But yes, today I did do my workout. I didn't do it yesterday because I went to bed late the day before, and I haven't been eating well. If you don't eat well, you guys, your body doesn't have energy. So for everyone that's on diet and is trying to juggle so many things, let me tell you, if you're not eating right, you don't have the right energy to do stuff. So be mindful about what you're eating. This has become a health and wellness kind of like video, but you guys, I can't help it. I'm one of those people that are constantly trying to improve my health. I'm rambling. It's 1 p.m. I'm going to go to the dollar store right now. I just finished my workout. I finished sharing with you guys on Instagram, asking you guys if you worked out, and my general stuff that I do. I'm not going to work today. I would normally work on Tuesday, Thursday. So this is my personal business day, and I love these days so much. Anyway, by the way, I also love the fact that I got more organized, because the more organized I get, the more I see where I need to put in the work. And it was all with the help of my journal that I shared with you guys yesterday. I normally used to be those people that I'm like, oh my god, I don't have time for my business, I don't have time for, but you guys, you have time. Everyone always makes time for the things that matters to them. And I know whatever you're working on matters to you, but if it's in your head, sometimes you don't take it as seriously as when you write it down on a piece of paper. And that is why I journal. That's why I shared my journal with you guys in the previous video, and that is why I decided to start a journal business, because I saw how important it was to me and how much it helps. And you guys keep asking me if I don't share with you guys if you worked out and stuff like that on Instagram. So I'm like, what better way to do this, to make myself accountable and you guys accountable too at the same time? So I decided to create the journal. Anyway, I'm talking too much. Let us go buy some props. Do you guys know the sad part about winter and, you know, taking care of your looks, doing your hair, is the fact that it's so crazy cold that I always have to wear a hoodie. And oh my god, my hair, you guys, I just did my hair today. You guys saw in the previous video, I hadn't done my hair in like, well, not done, I hadn't cut my hair in a month or so. I was looking so bad. Now I cut my hair, it looks really good, but I need to wear a jacket, a hoodie and stuff like that. And sometimes I have to actually put on the hood because it's so freaking cold. It's Canada, man. I need to stop complaining and learn to appreciate stuff. So yeah. Oh my god, I just realized I still haven't eaten today, and it's 1. I'm not eating so well these days for some reason. I'm always, I don't know, I don't have appetite, and I don't even remember to eat, which is crazy because I love to eat. You guys know that. See my jacket? It's the heaviest jacket you'll ever wear. You guys, it's like 5 kilos heavier than me. And I need to get my blanket. Let me show you. Oh, it's here. I thought it was very far. I hate winter because I feel like winter jackets cramp my style somehow. What is that? Ignore that. So I could take a taxi, but because I'm trying to minimize costs, I'm taking my Futsubishi, meaning I'm walking to the store, and then if the stuff is too heavy, I will... Oh, the lighting is terrible. If the stuff is too heavy, then I will take a taxi back. So this is how I minimize costs, because there is no point in me taking a taxi there. And then, plus it's close, it's not that far, it's like 10 to 15 minutes walk, which is not that far, and I need to move my body, I need to move my legs, so why the hell not? I feel like this gold is a nice color. It's kind of close to the journal, so I'm going to get this. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet. Maybe even this one because it's closer to this in color. I think it's a different gold, but I'm going to get it anyway. It's just for decoration purposes. Yo, you know how they say never go to the store hungry? I am so hungry I haven't eaten anything. It's 1:48 and I'm just like, oh my god, I'm in the snack section. I just want to eat everything. I wanted to get one of these boxes to make my own studio, but oh my god, the music shit. The notebook section in the dollar store is one of my favorite. I always like to come and check out different notebooks, how they're made, designed. Look at this particular one. It has that little fold that I like at the beginning so that I can put all my files. I think I'm going to put that in my journal, and then yeah, I just keep checking different notebooks. This is really cute. You know how they call cat owners the crazy cat lady? I feel like the crazy notebook lady. At the dollar store, you have self-service, so you check yourself out, which I think is really great in the times that we are in, but I kind of hate it. It's currently 3:05. I want to show you what I got, and I also bought food for about $13.10. I'm one of those people that are constantly tracking my expenses, and if you don't right now, maybe this is a time to start. Check out this video over here where I was sharing with you guys how I budget. But basically, or if you're having trouble budgeting, that video will help you. But basically, every time I go shopping, it doesn't matter if it's personal or if it's for my business, I keep track of that. And for these props, it cost me about $42.23 from the dollar store. I think it was $42.23 because I bought Vaseline, I bought mayo. This mayo is not for me, it's mostly for my hair. I'm sorry that the light keeps moving. I also bought thread, needle and thread. This is one of those things that are very random, but I thought it's helpful for me. I bought the color black, white, and there is navy blue in here, but yeah, this is for my personal stuff. And I bought shavers. I'm showing you stuff that have nothing to do with props first. This bottle, this is just a spray bottle. I have spray bottles, but they keep getting spoiled. I just bought another one. All this stuff is $1, $1.25, $1, whatever. It's not that much money, but yo, these $1 all add up because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items for about $1.50. Do the math. I'll put it on the screen. And then for the props, you guys, I bought these things. It's adhesive shelf and drawer liner, but the color is what made me buy it. It's this kind of brown that I can put as a background and take pictures of the journal. I also bought this one which looks like a marble color, so instead of getting tiles, I'm going to use this. Then I also bought this letter board. I like this letter board. Actually, there is a picture here of what I want to do, and yeah, just a letter board. I'll be changing the words every time I take different pictures. And then I bought these little things. I don't know what are these things called. Rattan balls. That's what is written on them. I bought different colors. I bought brown. It's coffee brown. Let me put it here in the light, maybe it will be much more visible. And then I also bought these other different colors. It's just little balls, you know, like how you want to take pictures and put random things in the background. These are my random things. And then I bought candles. I feel like this color is a little bit off from the gold of the journal, but I think it will work. These are 2 candle types that I will use. And then I bought stones. What are these things called? Rocks. I bought rocks. Yeah, there'll also be the random things. Another thing I got was noodles, you guys. I was really hungry and I tried to not buy stuff. I found these spinach noodles that I want to try, not today because I'm cooking something different. And I bought these. Normally when I take my food pictures, I actually use these boards. It's just regular foam boards. So one is glossy, the other one is just like matte. What do you guys say, matte or matte? One is matte. Okay, one is that material, one is a shiny material. I wanted to buy black ones, but I already have the matte ones actually at home. These are my matte ones that have a little bit of stickers and everything. I was going to buy black, but because I don't drive, you guys, I have to legit carry all my stuff. I decided to not buy the black ones. I can just take the sticker off of this one. And I have another one that has no stickers, and I also have white ones. So these are basically going to help when it comes to building my own home photography studio. I'm going to build a little thing where I can do really nice pictures. That's actually another thing I need to do today, buy some lighting. Oh my god, you guys, I keep forgetting the stuff that I got. I don't think I showed you this, but this is another kind of, it's not like foam boards, but it's just manila paper. I don't know what you guys call it, hard paper, that I'm going to use in my home photography thing. I'm doing my own kind of DIY photography setup that I will share with you guys. And also my friend does have an Airbnb. He's not my friend, the owner of this place that we live in. I think I should call him an acquaintance or someone that I know. He told me that I can use our old Airbnb for pictures and content if I wanted to, and that place was hella cute. I think I'm going to go there for some pictures, but I'll start by taking some here of the prototype, and then I'll go there and take some. One final thing I forgot to show you, I got duct tape. So now I'm going to eat. Oh my god, it's officially 50 days till the launch, you guys. Did I tell you? Oh my god, I forgot to tell you, it's officially 50 days until the launch, at least until the date that I want to launch. I do not know how long it's going to take to ship and bring the stuff here, but if everything goes as planned, I have 50 days. And of course I have to write off how I've spent my afternoon. So I'm going to do that right now before I go and cook. By the way, you guys, the only reason I'm not sharing with you guys my cooking stuff is because it takes twice the time for me to record and cook and all that stuff, and the day is going by, so because of that I have to not record for you guys that part. I already know this is not happening today, so I have to postpone it. This means postponing. I have this kind of key at the beginning of my journal that I like to follow. That's it. Every time I have a to-do, that's a sign for to-do, moving forward, habit done, and partly done. I've bought the props. Edit one video, which I'm about to edit right now. My hair looks very crazy right now. What? It's flying. It's 5:51. This is when I'm having my first meal. Yo, I got my lights. I'm super excited to share them with you guys. I could not wait to come back home. These are the lights that I chose yesterday, and it took 24 hours for them to get to me. So far on this business that I'm starting, I've spent about $153 for my sample. These lights were $89.99 Canadian, and I also bought the props, which were about, I still have the receipt here, $42. The $42 is Canadian, so basically I've spent about around $300. I will put the total on the screen, but that's how much I've spent so far. I wanted to start this business with only $500, so I hope I really don't pass my $500 limit. Even with the first order, I'm going to be doing a pre-sale, and hopefully a lot of people will buy the pre-sale, and I'll use the money from the pre-sale to make the orders, you know. So that is kind of my plan. If it doesn't go as planned, then we'll adjust accordingly. For now, that's the plan. By the way, if you guys decide that you want to get yourselves these lights, I'm going to leave links to them in the description box down below, and you can get yourselves one if you're trying to take product pictures or if you want to light up your office. This is kind of my little work area. It has a lot of files, or a light files from work and all that stuff. So yeah, these must be the panels. I bought 3 panels. Yep. So these are the 3 light holders, and these are the 3 lights. That's how it comes packed. Let's unpack them. Oh my god, they're so tiny. Okay, for anyone who wants to buy these lights, just know that they are as tiny as this. I actually thought it was bigger than this. They are super easy to assemble, you guys. All you have to do is, and then increase the height. One of them is supposed to be longer than the rest here. Like it's this one. And then put on the floodlights. There is this little piece to connect the lights. Yay! So here are my 3 lights. Ignore the stuff in the background, you guys. I got 3 lights. They're so bright you can't even see me. I need to turn the camera. This is me with the lights. 1 off, 2 off. The other one is too far. I wish it had a remote, but the remote is on the cable itself, which is far over the other side. But yeah, this is what the lights look like. What do you guys think? I'm also going to change the colors for you guys so you can see. Woo! It's a party! Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I know I promised to share with you guys how you can come up with a business idea, but then I thought about it some more and I realized I don't want to share information that you guys are not really interested in. So if you are interested in how to come up with your own business idea, let me know in the comment section down below how to get started, all that stuff. However, one thing I know that is going to help you is the free 30-day journal. It's going to help you get started. I actually have it over here. It's going to help you get started, figure out your strengths and weaknesses, figure out where you put your time the most so that you can work on reducing that time on those areas. I will leave a link to it in the description box down below. You can check it out. It's totally free and it's for 30 days. I'm actually excited. I tracked the whereabouts of the journal this morning and it's in the States, I believe. It left China and everything. So yeah, I'm excited. I'll probably have it by Tuesday or Monday. I'm not very sure, but around that time, and I already have my lights ready to get started. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, learned something, found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're a new business owner, let me know what kind of business you're starting in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, do not forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. I was like, what is this? They give you extra lights. I have 3 extra colors, not lights, colors. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next one.